Okay guys, what's up? Today's video, gonna be a quick one, pretty much a recap of today and why I traded this. Mainly because of volume. I'm just gonna be straight up with that. As you can see, it's Tops is the one that I played today. Capper or CAPR was looking good. Jagex ran a little bit. DGAS I was looking at because other people were looking at. It's not really one that I would trade because it's $27. I try to stay away from those. But right here is my trade. And as you can see, I could have made more, but if you see that I have a line right here at 33 cents, or 32.9999, whatever, but 33 cents is where I knew there was going to be a lot of resistance from the past. So what I did is I got in at 32 cents, or I got out at 32 cents. I got in at 0.305. I was trying to get in at 0.29, but it just wouldn't quite come back to it. So with that being said, we're going to look more into this. As you can see, it's up oh Lord, what's it doing? As you can see, it kind of ran up after market on Friday, and then pre-market this morning it popped up to 0.37, and I didn't have that high of expectations for this one this morning when I looked at it, and then because it fell back down, but it did kind of create a trend line through here, but it did eventually break it. So what I did this morning when I played this. Why is it doing that? Okay, well, let's see if I can just zoom in. Yeah, that's better. Just go one more and then we'll come back this way. So right here, it doesn't look like an absolute huge move, but you guys got to think, we're talking pennies. The last couple of plays that I've had that made decent money are pennies, and this one wasn't like a huge win, but I mean $60 is still, I think it's like actually $61 after commissions, because again it fell a little bit at the beginning, and this is where I really wanted to get in. Right here. Actually, I zoomed in too far. But right here in this dip down is where I really was trying to get in at, and I just I wasn't fast enough or something. I should have used hotkeys, but I didn't. Again, I trade on E-Trade, not TD Ameritrade. I just use this for the charting. I wish E-Trade had a better charting system. I really wish they would. I would trade off of it, but again, TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform is what we are using. They're level 2, so much better. Their buy, I can see the buy and sell. I can see everything. I have my watch list to the left, all in one, so that's what I use. And this trade, there was a lot of people talking about it this morning, was another reason why I really kept it on my watch. I was really looking at CAPR, because this thing, as you can see, pre-market, it took off. You can see all these lines that I have on here. But we're going to focus on Tops because this is the one that I really did play today. I knew there was going to be a big block at 33. That's why I had it. And as you can see, it broke through it, but then as soon as it broke through, it just fell straight back through. And then again, this one kind of topped off at it, and then it went through it and then just fell pretty much straight back down. It did start, this was a trend line that I had on here that I wasn't really following. I was looking at possibly re-entering on my other account and then riding this, and I should have, but I didn't. One trade, don't want to overtrade. And as you can see, it's built back up again today, midday. So, but at 0.305, so you're talking I'm in right around here, and then I sold right at 0.32, so right in here, this area, and I wanted to get 0.325 or 0.33, but with as fast as this thing was moving up and down, I just took the safe bet and entered 0.32, and I just got filled at 5,000 shares, which again, guys, we're working with $2,000. I didn't quite use all $2,000. Actually, we're working with more than that, but I didn't quite use it all. I only used, I think, 1,500, I think. I was trying to do more, but I guess I didn't work out. But again, time stamped and everything shows you that I did this. It's a verified trade. You guys some of you were asking to show this, so I definitely went and got the picture of this. I did some editing on it to take out my ID or my account number, and then this is what I got. So obviously verified in at 0.305, like I said, out at 0.32. I didn't get the whole move. I'll be the first one to tell you it's hard to get the whole move. Sometimes I do hold all the way through this, and then I'd end up selling over here, but I didn't end up doing that. So we made our money, and now we're out. So I want to keep this video short. The really reason why I played this was because of this volume, and as you can see, it was quite a bit of volume. So that was really the main reason. With these stocks, you have to be a little bit. You have to basically be a scared trader because you have so many shares with so little money, and you can lose money as fast as you can make it with any stock. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video, and tomorrow's video will be more of learning. And I didn't post a video on Saturday because I've got news that I can't release yet because we haven't quite told everybody, my family and everything else. So only my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and all of them know. A couple of my aunts and uncles, but that's about it. We haven't even released it to the rest of the family. So with that being said, that is coming up, and it's actually big news to me. So it may not be big news to you guys, but it's pretty big for me. But I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.